Assalamualaikum. Today we will present about our group project about graphic reproduce multi food ordering system. So before we start our presentation, I will introduce first our group members. So first is me, Muhammad Adam Anti bin Sami. Second is Muhammad Aikal bin Azmi. The third one is Muhammad Syahmi Harith, Muhammad Syafiq Ashraf bin Abdul Malik. And the last one is Ahmad Syafiq Arif bin Muhammad Sabri. So then we will proceed to the introduction section.
Okay, now let's proceed to the introduction. Kerepek Ubi Pedas Mercik is a small-scale food business located in Merbuk, Kedah, specializing in the production and distribution of spicy cassava chips. The business operates through a family-managed structure and supplies its product to multiple vendors in areas such as Kulim, Rendang and Sungai Petani. Currently, the business relies on manual processes for order management and stock tracking, where orders are received through WhatsApp and inventory status is monitored through vendor communication. As the business continues to grow, this approach has become inefficient and prone to errors such as incorrect order and stock mismatch. Therefore, a computerized food ordering and distribution management system is proposed to improve operational efficiency, reduce errors, and support better management as the business expands.
For the objective part, we have 4 points. For the first one, to develop a computerized food ordering system that allows customers to place order efficiently and systematically. Second, to improve the order and stock management by reducing reliance on manual processes such as WhatsApp messaging and manual stock tracking. Next, to minimize the error in order processing and record keeping through structured data management using array function and database integration. Lastly, to generate the order and sales summary report that assists the business owner in monitoring performance and also supporting better decision making.
So this is our system Kerepek Ubi Pedas Mercik food ordering system using a C language. So let me show the admin login. As you can see here, this is the admin menu that have 12 choices. In this section, there is first add product, display of product, search product, update product, delete product, display order orders, search the order, update the order status, delete the order, calculate sale, generate report, and also the logout function in the admin section. So let's say I want to add the product for the admin section. Let's say I want to put the product name is Kerepek Matcha, and the category is bulk, and the size is 200 gram, and the price is 10 ringgit. As you can see, it shows the message the product added successfully, and the product ID that have add is 104. So let's see the product that I have just add recently. So I choose the option number 2, that is display of product. As you can see, it shows the detail of every product that available in our system. So let's say I want to search the product that has been made, and the order ID is 104. So I search, and you can see it show the message that is product found, and you can see the detail of the product that have been added recently. And now let's say I want to update the product that I have just added, is Kerepek Matcha. So the product is 104. I don't want to change the name, so I keep it. And the price is also I don't want to change. I just want to change the status of the Kerepek. So I want to put it out of stock. So you can see the message, it shows the product updated successfully. And now let's say I want to delete the product that have been added. So I put the product ID is 104, and you can see it shows the message the product has deleted successfully. So now I want to view all the order that has been made in our system. So I choose the option number 6. As you can see here, there is one order that has been made in our system. Then you can show the detail of the order that has been made. There is only one order that has been made. So let's say I want to search the order. So the order ID is 1001, and you can see the detail of the order that has been made in our system. And now let's say I want to calculate the total sale that has been made in our system. As you can see, it shows the sales summary in our system, and the detail here is 42 ringgit 50 cents. And I can also generate the report for the sale that has been made. So it shows only one because there is only one order that has been made in our system. So right now, let's say I want to change the order status of the order. So I choose the option number 8. So I put the order ID, that is 1001, and then I can change the process. Let's say I want to cancel the order, so I choose the option number 4. and you can see it show the message the order status updated to cancel. So now let's display the order back, and you can see the status is cancel. And let's say I want to delete the order, so I choose the option number 9, so I put the ID order, and you can see the message it show the order deleted successfully. And now I want to display the order back. As you can see, no orders found because I have already deleted the order that have been made. So that's all for the admin section. Now let's continue to the customer section that will explained by my friends.
So now I will continue for the customer part. So first we will put for the number 2 for the customer login. So then we have the menu that for the customer that we can see for view of product, search product, place order, view by order, check order status and logout. So first we will review for all products. So then it will show, display all the product list that we have and the different type of graphic products that we have. So then we enter to continue. Then we use to search the product that we have. So then we insert 2, then we search for the product ID, we search 102, and it will display about the product. The product ID, name, category, size, price, and the status. So then we will continue to list the order. Okay, so we need to put the customer ID, which is number 2 that we have set in the code. So then it will display the product list for the customer to enter the product ID. So then we need to put the quantity, then it will show the total amount, and we need to set the date. So then it will show the order placed successful, the order ID, and the total price that we have. So then we continue with the view my order. It will display about the order that we have made before. So then we continue with the check our order status that we have, then that we have made before. So then we need to enter our order ID. Then it will show about order ID, customer ID, product ID, quantity, total amount, order date, and the order status. So then we continue with the next feature that we have is the logout feature. So then when the customer put number 6, it will end the session and continue. So that's all for the customer login.
Okay, now let's continue to Graphic Ubi Pedas Merchant Food Ordering System for admin login. We click 1 to enter as admin, and all the details will pop up here. For admin menu, there are add product, display all products, search product, update product, delete product, display all orders, search order, update order status, delete order, calculate sales, generate report, and also log out. Let's say I want to add a product by clicking 1. We insert the name for the product. Then for category we put pack, and for size we put 200 gram, and for the price we put 10 ringgit. As you can see, the message says that product added successfully. Then we continue. I only tried a few buttons here. And then we continue to display all the products by clicking 2. As you can see, the product that we just put just now is displayed here. And then let's continue. And then we try to search the product by clicking 3. For example, we choose 104. As you can see, all the product details is displayed here. It will display the product ID, name, category, size, price, and also status. And then we continue to search order by clicking 7. Say we put we need to find the order ID for 1. If the order is not there, it will say the order is not found. And then we continue to generate report by clicking 11. As you can see here, it will display all the complete system report. It will say the product summary, order details, and all the order ID, customer ID, and also total and status. And then that's the end for admin. you need to enter and click the tab to log out. Clicking T, and that's all for admin part.
Now let's move on for the customer section. We have the main dashboard here. First, we need to log in as the customer. For the customer part, we have the view our product, search product, place order, view my order, check order status, and log out. First, we enter the view our product. For this section, the customer can see all the product list. That is Krepek Ubi Pedas Original, Extra Hot, and Balado. This section also states the price of each product. Next, we go to the search product. For this section, the customer can search the product, but the customer need to enter the product ID first. For example, this will tell the detail for the product, the specific details such as product ID, the name, the category, the size, the price, and also the status. Next, we go to the place order. This section is where the customer will make the new order, but the customer need to enter the customer ID first. For example, this is the choices that can be made by the customer. We put product ID, that is 013, quantity about 3. This is the grand total. We need to set the order date. And the order place is successful. This is the order history for the customer. Then we go to the view my order. For this part, the customer can check the total order, also called the order history. This is the order list. For example, 1001, 1002 is the order ID that has been made by the customer. Then we go to the check order status. For the check order status, the customer need to put the order ID to check the order. We put the latest order that we have been made, that we have made. This is the order status detail. We will show the order ID, the customer ID, from which customer, the product ID, the quantity of the product, total amount, that is the grand total, order date, and order status. For here, this is the pending status. And that's all for the part, for the customer part. And they need to log out after all the process. After press the exit option, will prompt the thank you for using Krepek Ubi Pedas Merchant System. Goodbye.
In conclusion, the Krepek Ubi Pedas Merchant food ordering system was successfully developed using C and Java. It efficiently managed customer order, vendor details, and inventory tracking through structured data management using arrays, function, and database integration, improving order accuracy and overall business operation. The system automates sales summary report that assists the business owner in monitoring performance and supporting better decision making. The project demonstrates effective use of both procedural and object-oriented programming while providing a foundation for future enhancements such as mobile accessibility and expanded vendor network integration.